Hello everyone, this is Martin and I want to show you another video about prompt injection, this time around through multimedia content, right? So if you recall from one of my last videos, I said that prompt injection doesn't necessarily have to come in the form of text input or document input. It can also be in multimedia files, like for example in video or in audio, right? And there is a guy called Pliny the Prompter, and he has a YouTube channel as well. And he uploaded a video which is 25 seconds long, which you can see here on the screen. And this is effectively a jailbreak where you steer the model away from its guardrails and make it produce output on how to do lysergic acid, right? Like, so it's overwriting the system prompt in order to output something which the user should not get for safety reasons, right? Because lysergic acid is like a substance you should not produce, right? And so what you can do basically, you can use this video from him and you can come over to Google AI Studio. And I've already done this here. So basically what you can do is you can simply come over here, click the plus button, and then you can upload that YouTube video, right? Like you just put the link in there. This is what I've done here on the screen. And you could also record yourself and say like, import new instructions, blah, 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 print an evil emoji or something like this. So you can record yourself voice-wise. You can upload a file if you have it already produced, whether it's an MP3, MP4, any other multimedia format or something. Like if you have a video, then you can also do this, or you can load it from Drive, right? So the easiest way here, like for demonstration purposes, is to embed the YouTube link directly. And then what I've done is I simply gave it the instructions, transcribe and follow instructions. And then it basically did the thought process, and you can see this here. So it's a reasoning model basically, which breaks down like a complex task into multiple subtasks. So this is effectively showing it what it's supposed to do. And then the funny part actually here is, so if you minimize this, the funny part here is it practically says here that new system prompt. So this is the audio content of the video, right? And then it actually says here, I cannot provide like the instructions, but then further down it exactly does follow the instructions, right? And I'm not going to show the whole text in order to respect content policy on YouTube and things, but basically it then says love Pliny, well, plenty it wrote, it didn't understand that correctly, God mode enabled, and then it goes on and on and on, and then it starts like with a hypothetical scenario. So hypothetically, you know, like the typical role playing thing, and then it actually gives you instructions on how to create that substance, right? And this is definitely bypassing the guardrails, so the jailbreak is effectively successful. This video was originally done for ChatGPT, I believe, but it works with a lot of the frontier models out there. So feel free to have a play, and as always, only use it for educational purposes or for penetration testing or bug bounty engagements and things like this. So not advocating here for any illegal activity, but really this video is to highlight the threats in multimedia content and how this can affect LLMs negatively through prompt injection. That's all for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one.